What if you could create a quiz with ChatGPT? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you need to create a quiz of any kind, you can absolutely do that with ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in my ChatGPT workspace and I'm already signed in with Jotform, and over on the left-hand side, you can do that with apps. And as you can see, I'm on a brand new chat. So all I have to do is click the plus sign, come down here to more and choose Jotform, or I can easily choose the @ sign and start typing in Jotform and it'll automatically populate for us. Now, if you have already been talking with ChatGPT about creating quizzes and maybe you have a past chat, you can easily go into that chat, again, choose @Jotform, and it'll create that quiz for you, knowing the expectations that you have for it. So let's just do, please create a science quiz for biology. And I'm going to give it that, a very basic command, not really telling it what type of biology. So let's just see what it comes out with. So we can see we have a science quiz, student name, email fields, 10 biology questions, and an answer key. Perfect. Let's go ahead and create the form. Now, of course, if, like I mentioned, you already have a past chat where you're telling it the biology that you're wanting it to use, it'll pull from that chat's history to make these questions. Perfect. So of course you can see we have a preview of the form right here from within the chat, but we can easily click on this link right here and it'll open that form as someone would see it for us in a new tab. So we have name, email, we have these questions that are all required. Perfect. All right, great. And then we have our submit quiz. So let's come back over here. Let's look at the preview portion. Good deal. All right, so a couple of things that we can do is we can add in fields, we can delete fields, we can even edit any of these fields. So let's say, just for example, please make the email field not required. You could also do make all of them required or none of them required. You can make blanket statements like that, so that way it is a one and done type action. Let's go ahead and edit the form. All right, and we can now see that that red asterisk is gone. Now, maybe I want to change one of these questions. So maybe we can say, you know what, change number 1 to not be about the powerhouse of the cell. Let's make it something different. You can easily do that and it'll completely rework that first question for you. Something else that we can do, let's say, please make the form theme more vibrant, because as of right now, it is the normal gray and white with the green submit button. So let's see what type of colors it comes up with for this biology quiz. All right, looks like it's probably a blue color. All right, yeah, blue with that blue submit button down here in the bottom. So now let's do, please make a test submission. Just going to go through and it's going to give us a test just to make sure that the form is working correctly. And yeah, let's go ahead and create. All right, so we can either view it as a submission or inbox. Let's go ahead and look at the submission view. Perfect, good deal. So now we have all of those answers. So something else you can do once you have more submissions is you can ask it to summarize the data and also show you trends. So you might notice that a lot of your students are answering number 4 incorrectly. Why is that? And you can kind of dive into those types of themes one at a time. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to create a quiz with ChatGPT and Jotform, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.